What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Heartbeat by BTS. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll suplex you into a bowl of fruit punch. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning and you're only using 4 different chords. If you need the chord diagrams, they will be in the description below in a free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there along with a bunch of other really useful information for you. So if you need the diagrams, once you get done with the video, jump in the description. The free ebook will be there for you. For now, the chords that you're going to need to know are going to be a D minor. It's 0 0 0 2 3 1. B flat major, 0 1 3 3 3 1. F major, 1 3 3 2 1 1. And A minor, 0 0 2 2 1 0. Now the structure for this song is going to be verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, half chorus, outro. And the verse and the chorus are going to be the same chord progression, and the pre-chorus, the bridge, and the outro are going to be the same chord progression. So your verse and your chorus chord progression is going to be that D minor, B flat major, F major, A minor. And for the verse, you're playing through all of those twice, and for the chorus, you're playing through them all 4 times. For your pre-chorus, your bridge, and your outro, your chord progression is going to be B major, B flat major, F major, D minor, and then A minor. And the same thing for those. It's twice through each chord progression each time you're playing it. The only thing that's different is the final chorus is a half chorus, so you're only playing through that twice, as opposed to the 4 times for the first 2 choruses. Once you have the chords and the song structure down, all you need to know is the strumming pattern. It's going to be a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now I just wanted to give you a quick reminder about the song structure. It's verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, half chorus, outro, where the verse and the chorus is the same chord progression I just showed you, the D minor, B flat major, F major, A minor, and it's twice. You play through that chord progression twice for the verses and 4 times for the chorus, except the last one, it's a half chorus, it's only 2 times. And then the pre-chorus, the bridge, and the outro are all B flat major, F major, D minor, A minor, with the same exact strumming pattern, except during the bridge you can just strum them all once through the chords, but those all go through twice, 2 times through the chord progression. So I've showed you what the verse and the chorus look like. I will end this on what the pre-chorus, the bridge, and the outro look like. you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.